In the realm of ultra-high vacuum technology, every performance breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize industries. IOTA 705, the ultra-high vacuum diffusion pump oil, is demonstrating its remarkable prowess in tackling ultra-high vacuum challenges, appearing as a colorless and transparent oily liquid. IOTA 705 exudes a sense of high-quality purity, with a viscosity ranging from 170 to 175 millimeters per second at 25 C. IOTA 705 can operate stably in extreme environments, boasting an extremely low saturated vapor pressure, excellent thermal stability, and oxidation resistance. IOTA 705 plays an irreplaceable role in crucial fields such as ultra-high vacuum smelting, electron tube manufacturing, and high vacuum coatings. Whether it's the atomic energy accelerators with extremely high vacuum requirements, or the sophisticated electron microscopes, IOTA 705 provides reliable support, available in various packaging sizes, transported and stored as non-dangerous goods with a 3-year shelf life. It offers great convenience to users. So, can you still doubt IOTA 705's ability to solve ultra-high vacuum challenges?